Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious raspberry popsicles, step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 cups of fresh or frozen raspberries, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 1/2 cup of water. These few items are all it takes to create a wonderfully refreshing treat. Make sure everything is ready before we move on to the next exciting step. Now let's get blending. Carefully combine your 2 cups of raspberries, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/2 cup of water into a blender. Process these ingredients until the mixture is perfectly smooth, ensuring no large chunks remain. Next, pour this vibrant puree through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl, pressing the solids firmly to extract every last drop of that wonderful raspberry juice. This step ensures a silky smooth popsicle. With your smooth raspberry mixture ready, it is time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the liquid into your chosen popsicle molds, making sure to leave about 1/4 of an inch of space at the top of each. This allows for expansion during freezing. Now, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Once all molds are filled and sticked, place them in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until completely solid. Patience is key here. Your delicious raspberry popsicles are now ready to enjoy. To easily remove them from their molds, simply run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for just a few seconds. Then, gently pull on the popsicle stick, and your frozen treat should slide right out. Serve these refreshing popsicles immediately to enjoy their cool, fruity flavor. If you have any left, store them in an airtight container in the freezer for future enjoyment. Happy snacking!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.